Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Canva design platform. Review my creative workflow experience. Canva is an online design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, from social media graphics and presentations to logos and marketing materials. It's targeted towards everyone from individuals and small businesses to larger organizations who need an easy and affordable way to create professional-looking designs, even without advanced design skills. Key features include a vast library of templates, stock photos, and design elements, as well as intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. Canva boasts a user-friendly interface and offers a free version as well as paid subscription options for individuals and teams. Their website provides details on pricing and the different features included in each plan. They emphasize accessibility and ease of use, aiming to empower anyone to create visually appealing content. Canva competes with other design platforms like Adobe Creative Cloud, but positions itself as a more affordable and user-friendly alternative, without requiring extensive design experience. They utilize cloud-based technology, allowing for access and collaboration from anywhere with an internet connection. Availability is global, and you can sign up directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Canva. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply signed up with my email address and was immediately greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard. I started by creating a social media graphic using one of their pre-made templates. Navigating the interface was a breeze. Dragging and dropping elements, changing fonts and colors, and adding my own images was all very straightforward. I even played around with creating a short video presentation and was impressed by the variety of animations and transitions available. Performance-wise, Canva was generally quick and responsive. There was a slight delay when uploading larger files, but nothing major. The quality of the final designs was excellent, especially considering the ease of use. I did have a quick question about exporting a design in a specific format, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the vast library of templates. It saved me so much time. One minor drawback was the occasional lag when working with many elements on a single design, but it wasn't a deal breaker. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Canva. While it might not replace professional design software for complex projects, it's an excellent tool for creating everyday visuals quickly and easily. That's my overview of Canva design platform. Review my creative workflow experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.